What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. It's your girl Mirror Forex, and I am back again with another video. So it's been a while. I actually posted and I totally get it, but I've been receiving a lot of comments and a lot of questions and a lot of things going up here and there, and basically in this video I'm going to be answering the questions regarding ICT, the questions regarding backtesting, and the question regarding the GoFunded traders. I think I'm going to start from down to finish. And the thing here is that I've been sick for over a week plus now, and maybe from my voice you guys could actually hear that I'm still trying to recover from everything. The trading week has been there. Okay, the only trade we took this week was just one trade, live trade, and it was a loss. That's USD. I've been receiving a lot of critics under my comment section. Some people were like, Mira, there is no improvement, you're just journaling, this, that. Oh, Mira, there is why did you switch from ICT to SMC? Do you regret it? And Mira, why did you even backtest? I don't like backtesting. Okay, you're going to get in all those videos today. So first of all, my GoFunded account is in a mess. Yes. So I'm going to be showing you guys what my account looks like. And for those of you who don't know, GoFunded is one of the platforms I use in trading. So if you have not signed up with GoFunded, you can use the link on the description below or the comments to get signed up with them, and you get a 50% discount sale of your Insta sales. But if it's your first user, you also get a discount sale for 50% as well if it's your first time. So I'm going to just be screen recording, and yeah. So first of all, I'm going to say, for those people who be like, oh Mira, we are not seeing any improvements, there's this, I know myself and I know what I'm trying to share in this channel, and while I want to share the real honest journey about trading. And as someone who doesn't how will I say it, how will I put it in a very good content so you guys don't misunderstand me, I believe that every stage and every phase I find myself in my trading is more like if I get to pass it, God is giving me the authority to pass through those pain and those phases so that I can be able to lead people through it out as well. Okay, so I take pride and time in whatever I'm doing right now. So the critics can come in for somebody to tell me that I'm improving. I know that I'm doing way much better than I was doing 2 years ago, and you don't see your hair grow, you don't even see yourself growing height. So I wouldn't expect you to tell me that I'm not improving or any other stuff. And most of you might not even know that I have quit my job, which is something I actually did not to tell you guys since last year December. After paying for my mentorship, I quit the job to go full-time into trading. And I didn't just do that, and why I've been withholding that information is to not bring out an information about quitting my job, and some other people will quit their job as well. If you don't have something that is giving you money and you want to quit and go full-time into trading, I don't advise that, because to couple with up when you don't have somebody supporting you, that you have to take care of your house rent, your food, like literally everything about yourself, and you just want to quit trading and go full-time, I don't support that. And maybe in a later video I'm going to share with you guys everything I'm doing right now that has been helping me sustain and make money for me while I quit my job and then focus full-time into trading. Okay, and you guys will know that I've been sick, my phone was stolen. By the grace of God, I actually got a new phone. So this is actually the new phone I got. So I'm still gonna, I'm not gonna skip anything. I'm gonna share with you guys all of it. So without further ado, let's just go into the video. My GoFunded account is in a mess, okay? And I'm not gonna lie, it's not even about the strategy or anything, but you know, whenever you're trading a new strategy, it's gonna be bumpy. But if you guys will understand, it's a gradual process before you get better with the strategy. Okay, so then again, let's go through my dashboard. And the thing again I want to tell you guys, the GoFunded trader newly launched GoFunded app, so you can easily access your GoFunded app on your phone. Okay, so the only thing you have to do is to just type GFT. My current account now, I started trading this particular GFT account since August 5th of August 2025. So you can actually download the GoFunded app on your Apple Store or your Google Play as well. So you open it, and So when you open it, you can see it says welcome back Mira FS. So if you've already gotten a payout here, you'll see your total payout. And to talk about this as well, I know some of you all might be like, some of you used to ask me what's the payouts like, have I received payouts? And I'm not gonna lie, I feel sometimes pressure, and I feel sometimes how will I say, should I say pitiful? Should I? No, I'm not using that word on myself. I feel like, oh, I owe you guys. Should I use that? But I just feel like some of you look up to me to know what GoFunded payout is like, and the truth is that I've not gotten any payouts to them. I've not even gotten to pass phase one of my account to do that. But there are still people who do the same thing, like sharing real honest journey, like Balo Trades and Joseph Kutumba as well, like I've shared. And there are some people that pop up that uses GoFunded as well, that have received their payout. They share their real honest journey. So I know that some of you look up to me personally to be like, oh, have I received payouts? What is a payout? But the true honesty with everything is that since I started using GoFunded, I've not actually experienced any issue with them at all. Okay, not a single issue with them at all. So as you can see now, welcome back Mira Forex, and this profit right here, I've actually paid out over $60 million, and they have their own in-house tech. You can trade with MT5, you can trade with Trade Locker and C Trader, and that's basically very amazing. So it's just basically you being able to access your GoFunded dashboard, my payouts. You can request your payouts here, live accounts required. So I'm still in my phase one. I've not even, so if you view my account, you can see that my account is in $30,795. I've lost total P&L of $1,200. And then if you go to payouts, go to home, then all those things like active, past, blocked, field. It's only one account I've had with them so far, and I might literally just even get an account by next week. But the size is what I don't know, because this is my $15,000 account. I might likely lose it with the whole way it's looking, because if you go to my stats right here, April was good for me in trading. If we should go to April right here, you can use the button that goes back here. January was okay. So as you can see, February was nice. Okay, and then if we go to March, there was a lot of losses. Trades were wicking me out, in and out of the trade. Then if you go to March, April was where I messed up. Like I was trying to make back the whole thing with a very big loss size, and it didn't even allow the trade to run. I still closed everything out. So it's just a lot of emotion going up here and there. So I basically think that's it. So you can actually download the app. They have other offers like the Easter sales, extended 50% website off website, and the goods funded please. So if it's your first time, you can get 50% discount. If you're a returning user, you're going to still get the 50% discounts of the Easter sale. For me, if this 50% is still available for the accounts I'm going to be getting next week, I might just use it, because I want to get a much bigger account with GoFunded. Okay, so with everything regarding profits and all that, I feel like putting your egg in one basket is something you really don't want to do. So GoFunded is one of the profit I recommend that should be in one of your cards, that's your arsenals of profit trade. Okay, yeah, because since I knew them and since I've been using them, there have been a lot of improvements, a lot of updates, and thereafter. So to answer the question regarding why did I switch from MSNC to ICT, so the thing is, I always talk about tutor and guidance, and I feel like this is the last time I'm going to talk about it, because I believe that people who know what trading really about know that anybody who is using a particular strategy and is making money from that strategy, that means that strategy works. So it depends on the person who is actually using the strategy, the discipline and the work the person is putting in. So if somebody should give you a strategy and you feel like it's not working for you, try to ask yourself the relevant questions. So like you guys know, the strategy I was trading, which was ICT, was basically off from YouTube, and you know that ICT has a lot of models and a lot of concepts that works. Okay, but trading is just simply simplifying something, finding one thing that works, repeating that thing, the same thing over and over again. Like if I should use, for example, this guy, the Balo trades that I always talk, I usually used to tell you guys about. If you guys see the pattern where he trades now, he focused on one person, which is Sahara Trades, and he learns what Sahara Trades was doing. And if you guys see the way he's trading one particular thing over and over again. Okay, and me, while I'm not yet consistently profitable with the strategy I'm trading now, is that this is my beginning process, okay? But with the data and everything my tutor has shown me, my tutor have used his concept to pass pro firms. He has gotten funded with this strategy. And you know, anytime I am trading the profit, or even when I'm doing backtesting and I'm taking back to buy losses, it still helps me because I believe the data he has with the strategy always tells me, oh, this person has find success with this, so if I put in the work and learn it properly, I'll also find success. So you can see that his own data is also backing my confidence. So it comes with also backtesting. When you're backtesting, you're building the confidence on how you're going to use this data, how this data has worked so far. And 6 losses in a row is normal in trading. So your data in backtesting, and also having a tutor or somebody who has already done it, or have something that is working, will also back it up to tell you that 6 losses in a row is normal. Because if you are backtested and you have gotten 6 losses in a row and you're experiencing it in real time, you know that, oh, my data says that, oh, 6 losses in a row is normal, that maybe after these 6 losses a win is going to come forward. So I feel like I'm answering the same question of why you're backtesting and why I switched to ICT and why I switched to SMC in the same question. So the whole confidence that comes with having somebody who is doing the same thing, and also having data that comes with it, okay, and not having to be the one to go fish out what is working and what is not working. So some people complain, oh, I've been trading for 3 years, I've been trading for 4 years, and I've not seen outcome in this thing. Ask yourself, have I really done this trading thing properly, the right way? Okay, so that's the question you should ask yourself. And it's not been easy for me, I'm not gonna lie. The losses, it's been getting in, but that's what I'm here to share, like the real journey, and also be able to get out of this phase. Another thing is for you to build confidence regarding the pair, because at the end of the day, you need to understand the pairs that follows your strategy properly. Because let's say, do you know, in my tutor's data, you can see that there are some months or weeks he will not see trades, and there are some months in a particular pair that pair will not do well, but another pair will do well and cover up for the next month. But if you're not able to know the pairs that does well in your strategy, you're trading another pair that is doing well with your strategy, you're trading another pair that is not doing well with your strategy, and then you're making a lot of losses here. You're using the other pair to cover up the losses. But when you backtest, you find out the pair that works well, then fish out the pairs you don't want to be trading and the pairs you want to focus on. Okay, because you don't want to be trading, making money and giving it back into the market because of you are not able to review, or you're not able to have data that backed up, oh, these are the pairs that are working with this strategy. Okay, so to answer the question, you backtest for confidence, you backtest for data that helps you build the confidence, and you backtest to familiarize yourself, because your brain is a learning machine. It is not built to help you, it is built to seek comfort. But once you start teaching it the right thing you want it to learn, it becomes automatic, and then you now see that through repetition you are enforcing change on what you want it to be like. And for me, transitioning into the higher time frame and the way I trade now is a whole lot, that I even have to build routines that are in line with it. So like, I'm not feeling well, and going through this and that is just not something I really want to do. But I really want to help people out there, like in trading and in life as well, as someone who is navigating life through trading, fighting my circumstances. And to be honest, coming from a third world country doesn't even make it easier, and coming from a place whereby you don't have family to support you makes it more hard. I resonate with this, and that's what I'm here to share, that if I'm able to go out of these circumstances, you yourself can get out from these circumstances. And for those people again who are criticizing that there's no growth, I know myself, I know how much I've improved, and I'm not going to be someone that will be like, oh, I'm coming out there to come and share how much trading I've done in my life. No, I want to focus, and I have my values, and I'm going to continuously stick to those values. And I basically feel this video should answer the questions. And yeah, concerning the whole thing, it's gonna get better along the way. And yeah, my name remains Mira Forex, and if this video was insightful and you got knowledge out of it, it was not properly structured, but I hope there was little bits of things you got out of there. And if you did, please leave us a like and subscribe to the channel. And for the Goat Funded app, remember I told you guys can get it from your Google Pay, or you can get it from your App Store, and you can actually use the same email. You can use the same email you used in signing up maybe in your laptop to actually re-log in again. You don't have to recreate any other thing. Then it is going to take you to your exact dashboard, as you see that I have right here. Okay, it's going to take you, so you can just be able to navigate everything you want to do seamlessly. So you can just use the link on the description below to sign up with them. And also, if it's your first time, use the code to get a discount. And perhaps when I'll be purchasing a new account next week, I'll still take you guys along with me on how I'm purchasing. And yes, as again, third world country, we have a lot of issues. You don't have any payment issues. They have different payments method, Google Pay, your Visa card. You can use crypto. You can use Skrill, like a lot of payments, so you don't have to worry about that. And so far so good. I think that should answer the question about GoFunded payouts, how they work and how you can get your account and sign up. And for those of you asking again, verification, your KYC, I've not gotten payout, but I think your international passport is the best way you can use to verify your GoFunded KYC. Like when you have passed phase 1 of phase 2, your international passports for Nigerians, I think that will be the best for you to use and verify. So if you have not gotten that, I think you should start making preparations to go get your international passport. So eventually, once you get to phase 2 and pass, you can use your international passport to verify your KYC. And as that, I'm gonna be in this video here, and I say thank you for sticking to this extent of the video. And hopefully I'm going to update you guys on how my trading is going so far. We're still in the backtesting phase and test and trials and all that, so